Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-lectures given by DAV Thermal. Today we will discuss lesson 9, the human robot, part 1. Let me introduce you first with this chapter. Loss of consciousness and lack of principles are the curse of modern society. Perhaps human beings need to learn a lesson of morality and ethics from robots like Ramsing 070. That is what this science fiction, the human robot, tells us. Dr. Ira Saxena has written this story. She is a child psychologist, writer, and critic of children's books. She has been writing mostly realistic stories. Her short stories and novels on computer crime have been very popular among children. She writes both in Hindi and English for children of all ages. Many of her short stories and novels have won awards. Before starting this chapter, the human robot, we will do pre-reading task. Yes, this is the newspaper clipping. Japanese company produces world's most advanced robot. Now, share with one another your knowledge of the working of robots. You can see that robots are faithful, active, agile, and thoroughly efficient. They are known for their speed and accuracy. In groups, discuss and make a list of things that you feel robots can do. Robots can do many things like preparing food, cleaning your house, bringing groceries from the market, and so many other things that they can do. Now, B part, list a few things that you feel humans can do but robots can't. There are so many things that humans feel and that robots can't do, like humans have feelings, happiness, sorrow, and they can think, but robots can't do all these things. Third question is, do you think robots too, like humans, experience emotions or inner conflicts? Discuss. The answer of this question you can find in the story that we are going to discuss. Now we are going to start a story about a robot that has human traits. Prem Chopra, who is a thief and a trickster, enters Super Robots Plaza. Super Robots is the best and the most renowned plaza in the town. He wants a robot to act as an accomplice in crime and considers proper investment for his latest loot. His guilt makes him feel nervous and lacking confidence. As Prem Chopra reaches the Super Robot Plaza, the salesman in Super Robot Plaza welcomes Prem Chopra and describes the function of different types of robots. He tells him about robots that they are used for industry, construction companies, plumbing, caretaking, domestic help, etc. Now, Prem Chopra tells that he needs robot for domestic help and buying groceries. Salesman takes him to decorated hall full of robots. Prem Chopra leads into a huge dome-shaped hall. At the right corner of the hall, it is crowded with robots in metallic silver, electric, blue and green. He tells that some robots are operational and some are switched off. Prem Chopra is welcomed by one silver robot. Now, Ramsing 070, a robot in metallic blue, is bought. Salesman tells that it is programmed to suit Prem Chopra's requirements. He takes command from a remote control and operates within a radius of half a kilometer. Now Prem Chopra decides to buy it. It is based on the three principles of robotics that impress Prem Chopra. The robot will obey his master. This is the first principle. Second one is it will not harm humans. And third one is it will not take harm to self. Actually, Prem Chopra is impressed by the first principle and signs the seal deed and contract of no misuse of the robot. However, Prem Chopra thinks he has got a servant and an accomplice, that is partner. Ram Singh is exploited by Prem Chopra for shoplifting. He orders Ram Singh to shoplift jewels, necklaces and precious stones. Now read the lesson 9 carefully. Have a nice day.